It is now 4 p.m. Beijing time on November 3rd. Yesterday's video suggested going long in EURUSD below 1.0555. The lowest price was 1.0591, 36 points away from the entry point. It rose to 1.0667 in advance, 76 points away from the long point. At the same time, it is also recommended that EURUSD sell short above 1.0670 with a maximum of 1.0667, which is less than 3 points from the entry point, and fell to 1.0611 in advance, with a cumulative decline of 56 points. Then there is gold. Yesterday, it was recommended to go long below 1970. The lowest price after the issue was 1978.8. It was $8.8 away from the entry point and rose to 1990.2 ahead of schedule, with a cumulative increase of 113 points. The directions of the above signals are all correct, but they are not included in the transaction list statistics chart because they have not entered the market. Since the Palestine-Israeli conflict on October 7, risk events have gathered. The longer the position is held, the higher the probability of market changes. Therefore, we have not done many intraday orders recently, and we have made more profits through fast in, fast out, and EA automatic trading. Although there are many factors intervening in the market, Lauda's main account accumulated a profit of $56,911 in October. And from November 1st to today, there has been a profit of $6,051. This main account has been publicly displayed for more than 3 years and will continue to do so in the future. Especially those who are interested can ask me for the observation password. The initial capital of custody ranges from $5,000 to $150,000. After observing, you can choose a suitable cooperation model according to your needs. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. The November Federal Reserve decision has passed, and U.S. non-farm payroll data will be released tonight. Observing various data and signs in the United States, we can see that inflation and employment are cooling down, and corporate bankruptcies and layoffs are increasing, signaling the deterioration of the economy. Therefore, the possibility of not raising interest rates in November and December is extremely high, indicating that the data released tonight will be low. As the expected probability will be greater, the US dollar index is expected to be bearish. However, the impact of data on the market is also decreasing. Because of the development of big data and the sample size is large enough to carry out heavy data predictions and real-time analysis in advance, which can be priced in advance by the market. Returning to the euro, it also maintained a range of 1.0520 to 1.0690 as expected. The bullish sentiment is now higher than the short position. It is recommended to go long at 1.0565 to 1.0500 during the day, with stop loss at 1.0490. As for gold, the market is also waiting for the release of non-agriculture data. Geopolitical uncertainty is still supporting gold prices. As long as the non-agriculture data is not good, or the situation in the Middle East shows signs of easing, the correction will be limited. It is recommended to go long at 1971 to 1958 during the day, with stop loss at 1956. In addition to European gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing. But it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Lauda will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation, and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Plato.